Hamsters are very different. Their body length varies from 5 to 34 centimeters. Hamsters swim well, taking air into their cheek pouches and using them as floats. These rodents are found in the mountains at an altitude of up to 3.5 kilometers. Hamsters prefer to live alone in their complex burrows with many moves and transitions. An ordinary hamster can store up to 90 kilograms of food. Squirrels do the same. They store more than they eventually eat during the winter. The Syrian hamster and Newton's hamster are listed in the Red Book, as they were on the verge of extinction. Residents of Vietnam are prohibited by law from keeping hamsters at home, because they are carriers of many dangerous diseases. The fine for violating this ban is up to VND 30 million, about $810. Chinese hamster ovary cells are used to make medicines for serious diseases, including chronic lymphocytic leukemia and multiple sclerosis. Hamsters have poor eyesight. They do not distinguish colors, but they have an excellent sense of smell and hearing. Hamsters mark their path with special scent glands. 1 year of human life for a hamster is equivalent to almost a quarter of a century. Almost all domestic golden hamsters are descended from one female who gave birth to 12 cubs in 1930. Hamsters are quite smart. They remember their nickname, remember relatives, and can learn a few tricks. A hamster can cover up to 10 kilometers in his wheel overnight. More precisely, it could, if the wheel rolled on a flat surface. Hamsters are one of the few animal species that are born with teeth. The teeth continue to grow throughout the life of these rodents, so they must constantly grind them down, just like guinea pigs. Hamsters are able to carry in their cheek pouches a supply of food, the weight of which is 20% of their body weight. Wood hamsters living in North America are very fond of dragging shiny objects found in the area into their holes. In place of the thing they borrowed, hamsters usually leave a stick or stone, as if making an exchange. In fact, the animals simply drop what they carried earlier if they see an object that is more attractive to them. Hamsters eat not only grains and berries, but also small insects to make up for the lack of protein in plant foods. Female hamsters raise cubs alone. Males do not take any part in the fate of the offspring. These rodents willingly feed on grain and plants, but do not disdain animal food, even hunting frogs and lizards. In the wild, hamsters mostly prefer to live in the steppes and deserts. Females of some hamster species can delay pregnancy if they are still nursing the previous brood. Hamsters do not know how to recognize height, and therefore can easily fall and break. This is due to the fact that in their natural habitat they simply did not develop a sense of height. Their pregnancy lasts only 2 to 3 weeks, depending on the species. Because hamsters sleep all day, they can be very noisy at night. It's best to keep pet rodents out of the bedroom so they don't disturb your sleep, as hamsters can run around on a wheel all night long. Hamsters will sometimes kill and eat their young if they are stressed and unable to raise them. Most often this happens with new mothers.